Alkali metals in periodic table. The alkali metals are located in group 1 in the periodic table. This is the first column. Physical properties. Alkali metals are unusually soft for metals. They can be easily cut with a knife. The alkali metals have low densities, so much so that lithium, sodium and potassium float on water. Alkali metals have low melting points for metals, which usually have very high melting points. Melting point decreases as you go down the group. As you can see, lithium has the highest melting point. Reactions with water observations. When placed in water, lithium fizzes gradually until it eventually disappears. When placed in water, sodium fizzes rapidly and quickly disappears. When placed in water, potassium sparks, releases a lilac flame and rapidly disappears. Reactivity with water increases down the group. The final three alkali metals get very explosive. Reactions with water equations. Group 1 elements all have one electron in their outer shell. This gives them similar chemical properties. When group 1 elements react, they lose this electron to become a positively charged ion. Ions have a full outer shell of electrons. Alkali metals react with water to produce hydroxides. Hydroxides are known as bases. They dissolve in water, have a pH above 7 and turn universal indicator blue or purple. The word equation for the reaction of sodium and water, sodium plus water gives sodium hydroxide and hydrogen. Reactions with oxygen. Oxygen in the air reacts with the surface of the alkali metals, giving them a slightly white appearance. When the alkali metals react with oxygen, they form metal oxides. When heated with oxygen in a contained space, there can be quite a vigorous reaction. The word equation for lithium reacting with oxygen, lithium plus oxygen gives lithium oxide. Reactivity with oxygen increases as you go down the group. Reactions with chlorine. The alkali metals react vigorously with chlorine to make metal chlorides. At room temperature, the metal chlorides are white solids which dissolve in water to produce colorless solutions. The word equation for the reaction of sodium with chlorine, sodium plus chlorine gives sodium chloride. The alkali metals react more vigorously with chlorine as you go down the group. Trends in reactivity. When group 1 elements react, they form positive ions, 1 joule, by losing 1 electron. The easier it is to lose the electron, the more reactive the alkali metal. As you go down group 1, the atoms become larger, the outer electron becomes further away from the nucleus, the force of attraction between the nucleus and the outer electron is reduced and the outer electron is lost more easily.